Good day, everyone. Welcome to Humanities subject. For today's lesson, we will be discussing about predicables. This lesson focuses the 5 kinds of predicables. The predicables. Logicians define predicables as the various ways or mode of predicating universal concepts. All kinds of proposition always have 3 fundamental components, namely subject, copula, and predicate. The founder of a classical logic is Aristotle, made it clear that there are only 5 ways through which a predicate can describe or say something about the subject. They are genus, species, specific difference, property, and accident. The first one is genus. The plural form of genus is genera. This is a predicate that expresses a part of the essence of a subject. This part, however, is common with other species that belong to its class. For example, acacia has leaves, trunks, and branches. The predicate terms leaves, trunks, and branches express only some parts of the essence of acacia. Those parts which the acacia shares in common with other trees. So, another example, man is an animal. The predicate term animal expresses the part of man which man shares with the brutes. The second one is species. This is a predicate that expresses the fullness of the essence of a subject. For example, man is a thinking being. This means that any member of a humankind or the human species is ontologically capable of thinking. In this regard, thinking is deemed synonymous with the idea human being, although rationality cannot be absolutely postulated as an intrinsic capability of all human beings, since they are those who cannot be ascribed with rationality. Morons, idiots, mongoloids, insane, and children below the age of reason, among another. The third one is specific difference, also called differentia. This is a predicate that expresses a part of the essence of a subject. Through this part, the subject is distinguished from other species that belong to its genus. For example, concepts like human, person, and brute both belong to the same genus, animal. However, they are 2 different species. What is the difference between the animality of a human person and of the whole brute? The answer is rationality. Whereas as a human person is a rational animal, a brute is not. Thus, rationality is the specific difference between human person and brutes. The fourth one is property. This is a predicate that expresses a characteristic or an attribute that is not part of the essence of a subject. However, it must indispensably flow from its subjects or essence. For example, man is a laughing being. Man is a talking animal. Man is the author of technology and civilization. All stem from the essence of man, rationality. So, these concepts are not necessarily part of the essence of man, yet they all necessarily flow from the rationality or essence of a man. The last one is accident. This is the predicate that expresses an attribute of a subject that is neither part or nor associated with the essence of the subject, but is connected with the subject only in a contingent manner or mode. Thus, being a contingent attribute of a subject, an accident may or may not be connected or associated with a subject. For example, this table is round. This man is tall. This hat is blue. This human person is a woman. The concept round, tall, blue, woman do not determine the essence of the respective subjects. Expressed differently, a table need not always be round. Height does not determine a man's personhood. A hat need always be blue. And sexuality does not determine the essence of a human person. Gender, therefore, is a matter of accident.